Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. Do you all remember what I taught yesterday? Yesterday, I taught you about indefinite article. Today, I will teach you definite article. Now, we should start for today. Definite article. That is called the definite article because it points out to some particular person or thing. देखो, डेफिनेट आर्टिकल कहते हैं क्योंकि यह किसी विशेष व्यक्ति या वस्तु की ओर इशारा करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज द पेन आई वॉन्टेड. हेयर पेन इज particular, so we put the before pen. Next, this is the boy who was running. Here boy is particular, so we will put the before boy. Use of the. They is used before a noun which has become definite as it has been mentioned a second time. It means the का प्रयोग ऐसे नाउन से पहले किया जाता है जो दोबारा जिक्र करने के कारण विशेष हो जाता है. When it is introduced the first time it takes a and n. जब इसका जिक्र पहली बार होता है तो इसके साथ हम a और n का प्रयोग करते हैं. For example, a man is going on a road. The man has a bag. The bag contains clothes. The road goes to canal. Here, why did we put here a? Because it introduced first time. Why did we put here the? Because it mentioned second time. Bag also mentioned second time, therefore we put here the. And road also mentioned second time here, so we will fill it with the. Next, it is used before the names of unique objects. It means ऐसी नाउन के साथ जो केवल एक हैं, और वी कैन से दैट विच देयर इज ओनली वन और विच आर कंसिडर्ड एज वन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द सन, द मून, द अर्थ, द स्काई, द वेदर, द साउथ पोल, द नॉर्थ पोल, द स्टार्स, द वर्ल्ड, एटसेट्रा. All these are considered as one. For example, the moon was shining brightly. We put the before moon. Moon is considered as one. The earth moves around the sun. Both earth and sun considered one. First example, moon is considered one, and second, the earth and the sun both considered one. So we will put the before moon, before earth, and before sun. Next, it is used before ranks. पदों के नाम से पहले, or we can say that which there is only one example in same given situation. For example, headmaster, the headmaster, principal, the principal, president, the president, prime minister, the prime minister, etc. He is the principal of our school. We will put the before principal. Second, The postman has come. We will put the before postman. Next, it is used before singular nouns to represent the whole class. जो सिंगुलर नाउन पूरी जाति को बताता है वहाँ द का प्रयोग किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द पिकॉक इज द नेशनल बर्ड ऑफ इंडिया. ऑल पिकॉक्स आर नेशनल बर्ड ऑफ इंडिया. सो we'll put here the. Next, the dog is a faithful animal. All dogs are faithful and they represents the whole class. Means peacock and dog both represent the whole class. Next, they is used when we refer to a particular thing or a person. दे का प्रयोग तब होता है जब हम विशेष वस्तु या व्यक्ति का जिक्र करें. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज द बॉय हु हेल्प्ड मी. हेयर द बॉय इज पर्टिकुलर, तो सो वी विल पुट द बिफोर बॉय. नेक्स्ट, दिस इज द हाउस वेयर नेहरू वॉज born. Here house is particular where Nehru was born, so we will put the before house. Next, it is used when an adjective is used for the whole class. जब कोई विशेषण पूरी जाति के लिए प्रयोग किया जाता है तो हम वहाँ पर दे का प्रयोग करते हैं. The rich should help the poor. Here rich is adjective and used for whole class. For example, rich and poor. Next, we should help the blind. Here blind is adjective and used for whole class. Have you understood it very well? Tomorrow I will teach you remaining sections of definite article the. Thank you.